In this video, I'm going to be showing you the essential tools you need in your small pickup truck. At the end of this video, you will have two small toolboxes that you can fit behind or under your seat, full of essential tools that you will need for your small pickup truck. To start off your toolbox, you'll want an array of different sized and length sockets. If you're just starting out and don't want to spend a whole lot of money, just buy standard sockets, but it is very convenient to have both standard and metric sockets in your truck. You'll also need a good quality ratchet. I recommend a 3/8 ratchet with some different extensions and adapters. It's also handy to have a nice set of vice grips, different sizes, lengths, and types of screwdrivers, a full set of Allen key wrenches, and at least a set of standard wrenches. A set of pliers. All these tools fit nicely into a small toolbox and are all easily accessible from under the seat of your truck. Moving on to the next toolbox, you'll want an array of different ratchets and possibly tow straps. Here are some other things you may consider putting in your truck. You may want some oil, at least a quart. That's a good idea to have just in case. Another thing that is good to have in your truck at all times is a good set of jumper cables. You can buy these at Harbor Freight and other retail stores. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any recommendations.